Okay, well, it's time to start working on the boat again. Before I do that though, there's another couple projects I need to get done. One is I need to update my welding cart. So before I had a Miller Synchrowave in here, which was a great welder, but I figured it was time to upgrade. And so this is the new welder. This is brand new Miller Multimatic. So the reason for upgrading to this is I wanted something that was, I needed to basically upgrade my MIG. I wanted a 220 volt MIG. And then I thought, well, if I'm going to do that, maybe it's time for a new TIG as well. So I sold my old Synchrowave and I bought this Multimatic. I haven't used it yet, but I hope it's good. It sure looks nice. So the first project is to mount it in the welding cart, basically give it a home. And other things that I would like to do, so this is where the Synchrowave was. I got the one large gas cylinder on the back. With the new Multimatic, it does both MIG and TIG, and obviously they need different gas. So I'm going to adapt this to be able to put two large cylinders on it. And the other thing I'm going to do is make a space for a little plasma cutter there. That's just a cheap Chinese plasma cutter, but it actually works alright. So with a welder bolted to the frame, it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So here's the updated welding cart with a new welder. I have the two gas cylinders and the plasma cutter. Everything's easily accessible. It's on wheels, so it moves around easily in the shop. So far, this Miller Multimatic seems like a good welder. It worked great with the MIG. I can't wait to try it on the boat with TIG. That'll be coming up soon, I hope. Thanks for watching.